Hello, welcome to the scrapyard. A few things I want to go over this evening. Um, let's start off with a shop card shout out. Got a shop card in from Blue Street Customs. Really nice shop card. Haven't been over. Need to go check him out, man. He's does some really good, nice work. He sent me a shop card and a business card and a sticker. I really appreciate that. Some kind words on the back. If you get a chance, get over and check him out. Little progress on the dragster. It's still just mocked up. Um, oh, come on, there we go. I built the tin work out of the sheet styrene down here, and then I used sheet brass up here on top. And it's got a I don't know what the name of it is, but it's a fingernail. It's a nail polish on there. So it's coming right along. Parts from several different places. Um, which got me to thinking. You know, it says right there on my shop card, parts of parts. So let's talk about that for a minute. A lot of the parts for this thing have come from the are coming from the Moon Eyes kit in the um, yellow yellow fever Fiat kit. That's because those kits are made up of the old Revell parts packs. So the Moon Eyes kit has the Race Master slash Moon Eyes frame in it, but it also has the frame from the Sanitary Tea from when it was a double parts pack kit. All right, now this is the tubular frame from the yellow fever Fiat. That's another parts pack frame, man. But the other parts are all the same, man. You know, it's just all there. I mean, so you know that's part of what I'm talking about when I'm saying parts is parts. This here, this is the AMT T altered. Now it'll go on like I put it on one of these roadster chassis or one of the AMT Fiat chassis. Maybe even I have a chassis here that come out of the orange crate. It's just scrap box stuff, man. Most of it. But anyway, I wanted to show you that. I think it'll look good best on the roadster chassis that comes in the Moon Eyes kit, man. It's got the square frame rails. And sit that on there like that, then yada yada. But so there's a altered in the future here at some point. All right, I'm gonna set this to one side for now because still talking about parts. I've had this for a while, right? I mean, it's a decent box. It's mostly there. But well, the other day, I was on eBay and I found. Oh, I gotta get some. Blaze this up so you can see better. Anyway, this is the one that I've had a while, man. It's it's mainly there. It's not a glue bomb, but it's not pristine either. So I found this one on eBay. I just got it in. It was $8 plus shipping, and I knew it was a mess, but it's parts. But it's pretty neat, man. You know, it gets a original instruction sheet, a subscription for Revell Car Model magazine, and some parts. Now these parts, well, the tire monster got some of them, but still, there's probably enough in here to get the two bills out of the other one. I hated that these Raiders was screwed up. These Raider mags. That's one of the things I was wanting. It's got some really nice bucket seats in here. These are Tony Nancy buckets, man. But they were advertising my box as football buckets. But anyway, I'll take and go through this and marry it up with the other one and see what comes of that. But that's a parts kit. And another parts kit. But parts are parts, man, right? And the well, the rest of the Fiat, man, from the Fiat kit, man, that's another Revell parts pack. And everything about that kit, man, those killer customs are, basically Revell parts pack. And I got this one in. I've been kind of wanting another 32, but I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna build it as a full fendered highboy. I just don't think a unshopped coupe, man, looks good without fenders. That's just me. But looking forward to building this eventually. I mean, you know how I am. Hell, I might not build anything for a while, man, but I'm trying. I mean, this is coming right. The Dragster's coming right along, man. I know I'm dragging my feet a little bit. I should have been done with it, but life and things happen. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, leave me a comment if you like this kind of thing. Um, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm doing it anyway. Y'all have a good night. Thanks. Bye.